All right, here we go. This is a new unused FF15. It's a gas-powered motor, 13.5 horsepower. It's got the auxiliaries ready to go for all the attachments. We do sell all the attachments in the auction as well. Anything you could imagine, we got it. This unit's 39 inches wide, 14-inch bucket on there, 38-inch blade, backfill blade. We'll go ahead and fire it up and kind of show you how it runs real quick. Okay, that's going to be the video. Any questions, let us know. Otherwise, you can come down on preview day. Come take a peek from 9 to 4. That's going to be the Friday before the sale. Thanks for watching. Get yourself a Mini X. We got a bunch of them.